This is why you need flax seeds in your life. Stick around to find out how to make the most of this nutritional powerhouse. Flax seeds pack a punch of nutrients, and here's how to unlock their full potential. First up, grinding. Use a coffee grinder or blender to make flax seeds more digestible. Store your ground flax seeds in the fridge for up to a week. Next, whole seeds. Throw them into your baked goods or sprinkle on cereals and yogurt for an extra fiber boost. Ever heard of soaking? Soak flax seeds in water overnight to create a gel-like consistency, perfect as an egg substitute in baking. Don't forget flaxseed oil. Use it in salad dressings or smoothies, but remember, no heating. Finally, cooking. Add ground flax seeds to soups, stews and casseroles for extra nutrition. Store whole seeds in a cool, dry place for up to a year. And keep ground seeds and oil in the fridge. Incorporate these tips and enjoy the amazing benefits of flax seeds. If you found this useful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching.